In earlier videos, we learned about the institutions who provide assistance for development of small scale business. Like for example, we did RSPDC, which is purely focused on developing the backward regions of the country. We also studied on NSIC, which is the apex body which helps in providing various kind of assistance. Now let us see what are the support and the programs which are being provided by them, what are the schemes which they generally adhere to. Okay, so let's see that. See, the first is performance and credit rating scheme. Okay, so what is this? They sensitize the SSI for the need of credit rating. That means they encourage and ensure that the SSI understand the importance of getting a credit rating. That is the first scheme which they do, that is performance and credit rating scheme, which focuses on developing the sensitivity of the SSI towards credit rating. They also encourage small industries to have a good financial track record. They explain them the importance of having good financial track record. They also explain them how this can be done. The next is your marketing assistance scheme. Now this scheme enhances the marketing capabilities of the entrepreneur. So here purely the training and the advice given is on honing the marketing capabilities of an entrepreneur. They also help them to understand the competencies they have and how to exhibit those competencies in front of others. They also help them on updating themselves on the prevailing market scenario and the impact of the same. Okay. They also help them in doing collective marketing by way of forming a group. See, as we learned about the cooperative societies or cooperative groups, so this is also a kind of cooperative group which is set up wherein collective marketing can be done by these small scale units. They provide a platform to large institutional buyers. That means SSIs are given a platform wherein they can meet these large institutional buyers and advertise their products to them directly or make them aware about their products at that particular platform. Now this platform can be in form of an exhibition or it can be in form of a trade fair which would be organized by NSIC. They also provide information, that is the programs and schemes of the government which are there for these small scale industries, so that the SSIs can understand the scheme and utilize that scheme for their own benefit. They enrich the marketing skills of entrepreneur. So the marketing scheme also ensures that the marketing skills of entrepreneurs are honed, they are developed by providing them the requisite training. Now, the next scheme which is being implemented and adopted by NSIC is marketing support. What do they do in that? They held international technology exhibitions in and around the world. Okay, so what they do is they invite these small scale entrepreneurs to these exhibitions, okay, wherein they can have the knowledge about the technological developments. They also ensure that they are keeping domestic exhibitions, that is in India they would keep such exhibitions where the small scale entrepreneur can showcase their own products. They help in supporting or co-sponsoring exhibitions which are organized by other organizations or industry. See, as I was telling you earlier, to be part of a conference or a trade fair you require money, which generally these small scale entrepreneurs do not have it. So at that time, such kind of exhibitions when they are held, NSIC would become a co-sponsor so that small entrepreneurs can come and exhibit their products. They also organize the buyers and the sellers meet. So a meeting is arranged wherein the prospective buyer can be made aware of the products which are being sold by these small scale units. They also have this intensive campaigns which are held to spread awareness about the schemes of the government, as we discussed earlier. And then they also have promotional events which are marketing promotional events for informing them about the latest developments in the product in which they are making in terms of technology and other things, and also on the quality standards. The next activities, that is the support activities which they do, are development of display centers, show windows and hoarding. So they help entrepreneurs in developing display centers, developing holdings and any such other things which can help them in marketing their products. They also help in printing catalogs and brochures which spread information about the products which are being offered by small and medium entrepreneurs. They also help in development of websites. So here in such websites, what happens is medium and small enterprises would market their products. So you can go to the website, you can see what are the different products which are being offered by the small industry, and if you want, you can place the order. Apart from that, they also develop pamphlets and materials which are dispersed to small entrepreneurs so that they become aware about the schemes which are there for their benefits. Okay, they help in preparing directory, so they are giving updated information to all these small entrepreneurs about the customers or prospective customers. They help in documenting success stories so that other entrepreneurs get inspired and also become aware about how to run a business successfully. They also conduct studies and explore new markets. They access new markets, businesses and product range. So what do they do is, with the help of the studies they have done, they ensure that the entrepreneurs get the information about the new markets which are available to them and how those markets can be accessed. Now, they also host international delegation and networking events so that the entrepreneurs can think about exporting their products. See, we learned about all the institutions which are there to provide financial assistance. For the purpose of exam, the best way is to make a table yourself and divide it into all, you can keep the name of the institutions, and then the basis would be to see what is the year of establishment, what are the objectives they are fulfilling, right, what are the schemes they have. So on the basis of that, you can make a table yourself and try to remember the names and the purpose of these institutions.